Hey babes, my name is Jessica and this is my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really hope you enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and turn on your post notification bell so you could be notified the next time I post a new video. Don't check your calendar, it's not Tuesday. I promised myself for the year 2020 I would have a new YouTube video every single Tuesday, and unfortunately last month I skipped 2 uploads, so I do want to make them up before the year ends. You know, life happens, let's not talk about it. But iOS just gave us a new update, and if you have not updated your iPhone, what are you doing? It's seriously the best update Apple has given us. It's like so aesthetically pleasing. So let me screen record and you guys can see how I made my phone super aesthetic and of course pink. So now what you do is once you download the new iOS, once you update your phone to the iOS 14, you can add these little widgets. I'm pretty sure you can still do like the shortcuts before, like if you don't want to download it for the widgetsmith, you don't have to, but I feel like now your iPhone is more organized. Now once you update it, you have a app library. Now they just organize them for you, but what I really like is that I could click the top and I could just scroll through all my apps and they're all just there, versus having to be on like a home screen and me clicking like the little boxes. I could just go to the side and search up whatever app I want and it pops up. So I'm going to share with you guys how to do those cute little icons and how to add those little pictures and the little calendars. Super cute. So first off, you have to download the iOS. I already said that. Second, you have to download the app 𝑽𝑰№𝑆mith. It looks like this on the App Store. Once you open it up, you can start adding little widgets. So they're like little, medium, and then large. So it's super easy. It's like so like forward, like it's so easy to do. You click right there on the bottom that says add small widget, or you can add a medium widget, or you can add a large widget. Once you do that, you click actually on the widget. This is the default widget. Click it, and then you have options to make that small widget that is going to be this one, the one on the bottom, the ones that are on the bottom and the top. You could change them. So it could be time, it could be clock, it could be the day, it could be picture, what I have, upcoming events. The world is your oyster, however they say that. So let's do photo, and then once you click that, you go on the bottom, it says selected photo. Then you choose photo and you could choose whatever you want. I have a quote, so let's put, "You aren't selfish for putting yourself first." Go back, and then on the top I'm going to rename it just quote or something. Let's put quote 1. Save. Oh, I already have those quotes. Duh, because I already did mine. So that's how you'd make the small ones. And once you're at your home, let's say you're having a bad day and you're like, I need to pick me up. Every time I look at my phone, I want to see like a quote or something like that. You click on the screen. Now you could click literally anywhere and your apps start like jiggling. And then you click on your widget and you can see it's only small widgets because of course it's the little one. You click on it, and now let's do quote 1. So let's click done, and now your widget, once you open your phone, now it's going to be like, you aren't selfish for putting yourself first. You can add whatever you want. Seriously, like you can add cute pictures if you're into anime like my husband. I've been seeing so many people do anime themed phones, but of course I'm a lash artist, so I am going to keep my lash one because it just keeps me happy, my lash dream. So that's how you make the small ones. The medium one, what you do is the same thing. You go into the ৱ𝑽𝑰№𝑆mith app and then you click the medium widget. Once you click it, you can also add different options like a clock, a calendar, photos. You can also add quotes, you know? So what I have it as is this one, the one that has like Monday 21 and then the calendar on the side. You click it, then you could click on font, and then you could switch it up. I like the New York one, it looks super cute. Then click tint color. I think mine's white. Yeah, mine's white. But look at all these beautiful colors, all the rainbow. And then I have my background color, which is white. No, it's pale pink. Mine is pale pink. And then once you do the background color, keep going up, right? So let me see. No, because we need the outline. We need the outline. The outline, you see, I skipped it. So right there it says border color. So once you click on the top right here where I just clicked that says background color, You're gonna keep scrolling. Mine is pale pink. You can see it's blue that I clicked it, but there's a lot of cute ones, like the pastel colors are so beautiful. Keep going through the background, and then you see that right there, it says border color. Mine is white. So click white. Now you go back to medium, and then you could rename it. I'm just gonna save it because whatever. And you can see now it's medium 3. So click anywhere on the screen. You click the arrow on top, and now you could switch up stuff. So you can do like maps. Super cute. Let's not add maps. You can add your activity. Why am I going like this if I'm screen recording here? You could do photos, clock, podcast, weather. But you're gonna go down to 𝑽𝑰№𝑆mith, and you're gonna add medium. So click medium, and then you see I have an app that says good things are coming, and then it has the little line, and it says already here, we just need to appreciate them. So you know, I want to switch some quotes up here and there. And what I really like about this update is that you can click it. Ooh, went too far. Okay, you see that I'm like putting it right on top of my calendar that was on my first screen. Look how it's gonna look now. Okay, so now you have your calendar. You could have done the calendar, but I just wanted to show you how you can add the widget to your screen. And I switch it to my actual calendar because this is super aesthetically pleasing, right? But if I click it, it's gonna go to the widget app. So what I did was keep that one that's cute. If I need to tell someone what day is it, I could just look at my phone and the calendar's there if I need anything. But if I actually need to check on like what I need to be doing, I could just slide down and I could see that like, okay, I need to do yoga at 8. I need to do actual meditation in like 30 minutes, but let's not talk about that. Tomorrow in the morning, 6:30 a.m. and yoga and run, and then get the kids ready. Like all my stuff comes out here. When I start doing clients, like on Wednesdays, all my clients show up there. So I need that versus it just being like a basic calendar. So I feel like this update is really cool. You can just switch it up whatever you want. So to do these actual like little on the top it says mail, Snapchat, Google Keep, Spotify. These are actual like different routers that I think iPhone already had. So they're just, if you click it, let's say Instagram, you see that it goes to that shortcut page, then it goes to Instagram. So how you do that is you go to your app library and you look up shortcuts. If you deleted shortcuts, I'm pretty sure you could just re-download it. I think the iPhone already comes pre-downloaded with this app. I've seen it before, but I've never played with it. So click shortcuts, and what you want to do is you want to go on the top and add that little plus sign. Then you do add action, and on the top you can see it says scripting. You click on scripting, then you do open app. You see right here where it says scripted, it says open and choose. Click choose first. Let's click choose. So you click it, and let's just say YouTube. And then what you do is on the 3 dots, you want to add to home screen. Once you add that to home screen, that's where you could customize like the layout of your picture. I've seen some people do like just regular aesthetic pictures, like of flowers or of like anime or of like disco, or I don't know, whatever you want. I personally wanted it to still have the icon. I just wanted the colors to be matching. So if you guys want the ones that I have, go to my Pinterest at Jesicavxo. I'll have it linked down below as well, and you could get those and just put them on your phone. But it's only the ones I have on there. It's not all the apps of like whatever apps Apple offers. It's just the ones that I have on my home screen. I personally drew them. So now you can choose your photo, and like I said, you can like do a quote, you can do an aesthetic picture, but of course I wanted to do like my actual like the actual picture of like whatever it is. I know this is not the YouTube logo, but let's just pretend it is. I did this one. This is for TikTok. Let's do choose and name it, of course. And this is where you can name it whatever you want. You can name it like YouTube. I like to do mine like capital letters and like spaced out, but you can do them all lowercase letters. You can do whatever you want to make your phone look cute. So then once you add it, once you go home, you see it's there. Of course, the icon says TikTok, but if you click it, it's YouTube. Of course, again, it's going to redirect you from like the app, it's gonna go to shortcut, then it's gonna go to YouTube. So if you don't want that extra second, just don't do it. But if you do want to make them look cute, you could do that, okay? And another little update that iPhone did that I am like obsessed with is, look, YouTube. Oh my goodness. Let me share with you guys how to do it. So you go to your app library and you go to settings. Once you're in settings, you want to go down and you want to click accessibility. Then you want to click on touch. Once you hit touch, go all the way down and click on back tap. Turn that on and you can see double tap, I have my YouTube. And on triple tap, you can do other different things. You have to make sure it's on your shortcuts. So you know how I showed you guys how to do like your little apps? That's what you need to do, like these. You need to do them like this, like aesthetically pleasing, or not even. You guys can still like do a shortcut and not have it on your homepage. You can just have it on the shortcuts app, and then that's how you're able to add them. So let's do, what did I do? Triple tap. Let's add Instagram. Let's see how that looks, because I hadn't added a triple tap. So 1, 2, 3. Ah! How cute is that, guys? Oh my. If you haven't updated your phone, what are you doing right now? What? Okay, so those are some cute updates. What you guys can also do is tap on the screen, and you guys can do it like this. You guys can do it like that. You guys can do it like that. Super cute, right? So mine, I have it like this for right now, but you don't know if I'll switch it up, okay? So then the middle, my calendar. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini video. I am so obsessed with the new update. I'm going to continuously mess with my iPhone. If you guys have any cute like ways you guys made your iPhone, send them to me on Instagram, please, because when I shared with you guys how I did my consent forms on my iPad, I got so many pictures of your guys' consent forms, and you guys are so creative that it gives me more motivation and more ideas. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to share it with a friend. Let's share the love. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down so I can know. Subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. And until then, bye my loves. You can also quickly subscribe to my channel. If you hit my face, you're subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to watch 2 other of my videos before you head out. I love you. Bye.